So I just got this swing set by VEVOR and I'm excited to put it together. So let's go ahead and do it. So this is what the swing set looks like when you open the box. So let's go ahead and take everything out. So the swing set is recommended for children 6 months or older, and it's not to exceed the weight of 100 pounds. So this is what it comes with: the little feet, some heavy duty clips, the bolts. It has the tools, the Allen wrench and the wrench. And it has all these, 4 of these sidebars, 8 of these for the legs, this one for the top, the seat, the rope, and it has 4 sandbags, 1 for each leg. So here's the swing fully assembled, which was pretty easy to assemble. I like these clips, heavy duty, double rope, so you know it's secure. The legs are non-slip. And you got the little seat belt here to put on, and you got this in the front. So the legs go in the front, you get to swing it, and the kids get to enjoy it. And when you want to put it away, you push these in, take it out, and this folds, so it's just long and flat to put it away. I went ahead and folded it up just so you could see how thin it is, so you could put it anywhere. There you go, folds easily, easy to store.
When I say 3, you open your eyes, okay? 1, 2, 3. Wow, you like it? You want to try it? Alright, let's open your feet. Go inside. Ready? Alright. Pick up your feet. Pick up your feet. Put them up. There you go. Pick up your feet. Pick up your feet. There you go. Wow, isn't that cool?
Yeah.
You like it?